Siemens test train VIA DC, go over. VIA DC, over. Siemens test train VIA DC, go over. Yeah, absolutely, guys. Alright, okay, very good. So we say the work via 2201-2201. You're all set to cancel. Current number 2400, 24 not. Clear of your working limits between kilometers 7.65 Elwood subdivision, then the end of track, kilometer 12.90, 12.9 knot Elwood subdivision. Clear of the OCMS limit portion, all set to cancel. Correct, over? Alright, so Adam 12, clearance number 2400, 24 not. Sure, cancel at 1032, 1 knot, 32, RDC JPO, Juliet Papa Oscar, over. Alright, very good, that takes care of that. Alright, very good, thanks guys, and yeah, let's just call me back once you're all clear of the walkway interlocking there, over. Roger that, so around the Y there, once you're at the walkway line, around the Y, and back within the walkway line there, correct, over? Okay, back to Ottawa Station. You know exactly where you guys are going at that point, over. Alright, I'll try to contact God at that point. Alright, okay, very good, guys. So around the Y and somewhere into Ottawa. Alright. Thanks a lot, guys. Peace out.
Very clear to the M&O.
Siemens test train, VIA 628, VIA DC, go over. Where is you? Interlocking at that point there, guys. Over. And all clear the walkway interlocking. Alright, very good. Thanks, guys. And as far as Ottawa, I did contact God, and he needs some wisdom idea with the south side of the east stub. So stub east, south side of the track. Over. Are you okay?